Welcome back in. As you know, tax season is here, tax filing season. Are you going to be getting a refund? Well, if you are, some things you can do now to speed up getting your return. Stuart Welch from the Welch Group joins us now to talk more about that. Stuart, good to have you with us this morning. We've already talked about how they're already behind, the IRS is, on processing returns from last year. So there's definitely going to be some delays, but what can people do? How can they set themselves up to maybe get that return a little quicker than they thought?
Yeah, so Mike, I think the first thing is that 87% of the people actually file standard deductions, so it makes it really easy to do the return. And you can do it online. So the critical thing here is you have to make a decision. I'm going to do this online as opposed to paper files and send it in the mail. Those are the ones that are really backed up. Mm-hmm. So the IRS has set up really two programs. If you're making under $73,000, you go to IRS Free File, and that is actually, Mike, a public-private partnership where the government is partnered up with some private companies, and they will actually help you, guide you through filling out that tax return. So really, really important. If you're making over $73,000, you kind of own your own, but you can still do it electronically, and the IRS has fillable forms. So I think the first thing is if you want to get your money back soon, you're going to need to do it as an electronic filing. I think the second thing is you want to be super careful about accuracy, particularly this year. A lot of people received money from the economic income payments and also advanced child tax credits. And you have to make sure you put that down correctly. Now, you should get something from the government indicating how much they sent you. But if anywhere along the way you make a mistake and your numbers don't match up with their numbers, it's going to kick that return out, and now it's going to end up on a big pile at somebody's desk in the IRS.
Yeah, and I know some people are wary sometimes of giving away their bank information, but really direct deposit is the way to go here, right?
Yeah, it is. That's a great point. So you want to file electronically. You also want to accept the money, the refund, electronically, have it deposited directly into your account. I'm not concerned with the safety of that. Everything is somewhat at risk, but generally that's going to be very safe, and that is definitely going to be the way to go.
And just a final word of advice, Stuart, as people get ready to file these taxes.
Well, I think one of the main things is don't wait. Go ahead and start gathering all your information. You might not have every piece. You may be waiting on a few pieces, but go ahead and set it up. Particularly for the under 73,000, you can actually begin to put that information in the computer early, and they won't begin processing until the 24th, but you can have it all teed up and ready to go. And then hopefully they are indicating that once you file that you're going to get your money back within a very short period of time. I've forgotten how many days it is, like 21 days after it's been filed electronically. That would be after the 24th.
All right. Stuart Welch from the Welch Group. Appreciate the information this morning. Thank you.
Thank you, Mike.
The tax man cometh, right? We'll still